Hey guys, it's Mr. B here again. Thank you for checking out my channel today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day over there. I want to say a big thank you to all of the supporters and subscribers. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can get the latest materials when I put them up on this channel. And if you want to help out this channel, you can like this video, comment, and share it. It will really help this channel out a lot. Today we have a new Dragonball game, and we'll go through some of the features of this game, and then I'll show you how to edit the game for yourself or for your class. So I hope you can watch this video until the end to learn how to do that as well. So let's start by hitting the play button on our PowerPoint presentation. Now, we have on the left the instructions. As always, you can read through that later on how to use this template. And on the right, you have how to edit the game. So you can also read through this, or you can watch the video to the end to learn how to do it. So you can hit the right keyboard, right arrow on your keyboard to go to the next slide, or you can just click up here. It says click here to start. Here is our character select screen. We have 5 characters. Below the characters, we have Dragon Balls. So that's the scoreboard. You can click on the Dragon Balls to add points, or you can click on the Dragon Balls to deduct the points. I'll just show you like this. So if this is Team Piccolo, you can click on the Dragon Ball to add the points, and you can click on it to deduct the points.
The balls are inert. I won't allow it. I won't.
So if your Team Goku is the same thing, you can click on the Dragon Balls to add the Dragon Balls. And then you can click on the Dragon Balls to deduct it.
You got to be kidding. Seriously? Wow! Excuse me?
Okay. So you can play around with this. You can use it however way you want for your class. And you can edit this later as well. But you only get 7 Dragon Balls. The bottom right here, you have your button that takes you to the Q&A slides. So you can click on that. Now you have your choice of alphabet letters. This is quite big, so you can use this for like a long lesson, for like a long review, or however way you want. It has A, B to Z, and I also included some extra letters here, but you can change the letters later. You can change it to numbers if you want. My students are practicing phonic sounds, so I included these sounds to help them practice the sounds. So they can click on the letter.
Here I am. Wow, you're really something else.
Well, we might as well start looking for the Dragon Balls.
And you can add your question up here, and you have 3 answers here, and one of the answer is correct and the other 2 is wrong. And you can add your image here on the right, and I'll show you how to do that later as well. So if they answer correctly, just hit the right answer. So the first one is the right one here, and it'll take them to the reward slide.
You did pretty good.
So they found 1 Dragon Ball or a Dragon Ball. Click on Goku here. It'll take them back to the character screen. And you can add the points here. Just like that. So we can try it again. So click on the ball here. And they can choose a letter, maybe double O.
Here I am. Wow, you're really something else.
Well, we might as well start looking for the Dragon Balls.
All right. Once the animation is done playing, they can answer the question here. And if they get the right one, it'll take them to like a reward slide. So let's test that out by clicking number 2 this time. So they have a choice here, left or right. So let's choose the right.
We all knew this was coming, I'm sure.
They found Frieza and they lost 3 Dragon Balls actually. So you just go here and you just minus their points by clicking on the Dragon Ball.
all nuts.
Okay, so again, you can add points. That. Click on here. And the students can choose a letter. Let's say this time they want letter Z.
Here I am. Wow, you're really something else.
Well, we might as well start looking for the Dragon Balls.
And once the animation is done, you can ask them the question, and if they answer correctly, they can get like a reward. Maybe they'll find a Dragon Ball or like something special. So let's try number 3 this time. Answer 3. Click on that.
Foolish insects, don't waste my time.
So
I
now,
could use a good battle these days.
so now they have Vegeta versus Super Brawly, and they have choices here. They can eat a sensu bean, block his punch, or do a special attack. So let's try blocking his punch, see what happens. Block failed, so you lose 2 Dragon Balls. So that wasn't a good choice. Click on Goku here, go back, and minus the points here.
Okay, come on.
Okay. Again, click here. Choose a question. Choose a letter, maybe letter K.
Here I am. Wow, you're really something else.
Well, we might as well start looking for the Dragon Balls.
All right. And answer the question.
Not bad.
This time they found a Dragon Ball. Click on Goku, go back, and get the Dragon Ball here. Again, click here. Choose a letter.
Here I am.
Let the animation play through.
Wow, you're really something else.
Well, we might as well start looking for the Dragon Balls.
And if they answer correctly, it should take them to like a reward slide. What if they answer wrong? See what happens. Let's see. Click on number 2. So they don't get a Dragon Ball. So you can play around with this however way you want.
Wow,
Edit this
you're really something
template
else.
to match your lesson,
Well,
your
we
lesson
might as well
grammar.
start looking for the Dragon Balls.
You can use phrases, anything you want for this particular PowerPoint game. And I've also labeled it so it's easy for you guys to edit, and I'll show you how to edit that later. And if you have questions about this particular PowerPoint game template, you can write it in the comment section below, and I'll take a look at that as well. So let's try another one here. Let's click on number, let's click on number 3 here and see what happens.
Go on a date with me? So if I win, how about a little kiss?
So this is the Shuffle Cup game. So click here to shuffle the Dragon Ball. Now the student can choose a cup by choosing the left, the middle, or the right. Let's try the middle.
You still need to train some more.
Try the right.
Come on! What's wrong with you?
Unfortunately, it's under the left cup here.
Impossible!
And now they got the Dragon Ball. You can click here and go add the points, or you can minus their points.
I won't go down like this. Gah!
All right, let's take a look at how we can edit this game. So hit escape. So here is the character select screen for your students. You have up to 5 teams. You can change the name if you want. You can add more Dragon Balls if you want. Just highlight the Dragon Ball like this. Copy and paste. And you don't want to delete this. You can if you want to, but this plays the animation for each reward. As you can see, it says question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, 5, and so on. So if you guys are stuck or have any issues with your PowerPoint game, you can write it in the section comment below and let me know. Question 4, there was a problem, and I could take a look at that and see if we can fix that together. There are a few different kinds of rewards. If you click on the answer Q&A slide here, if you zoom out a little bit, you can see that it says right, wrong, wrong here. So this is the right answer. And this is linked to the reward here. But also you can link it to other rewards later at the bottom here. So if you scroll down, you'll see that it says bonus. So it says bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3. So some of these are linked to the bonuses already. You can just click on that and see what it looks like. Go to action setting, right click, go to action setting, and you see it says it's linked to slide 171. So 171 is bonus 2 here, so it's linked to this bonus actually. So it's not actually linked to one of these, but you can link them to this if you want. We can look at some of the bonus. We have choose your path bonus. We have this little versus bonus. You have like 4 choices. You have that the shuffle cup bonus that you saw, and we also have these kind of bonus where you can destroy points from another team, or you can actually lose points, and you can choose a Cyberman here. So you can take a look at that, hit play.
Ha ha! Try to make this fun. Now, how can I make this as painful as possible? You could at least try to entertain me. Ha ha ha!
Now, so you can choose a Cyberman to defeat, maybe number 1.
Think you could do better? There's no way you can stand up to me, really. Did you actually think you could beat me? Darn it!
So it was that one. Okay, and we also have this bonus here. You can test it out.
It doesn't matter how many of you there are. You're all weak.
So you got to be careful with this one. All team lose Dragon Ball, so you got to be very careful with this one. And we have one more, the Goku one. This one allows you to destroy other teams' points. So let's take a look at how we can edit the question for ourselves. Let's go to a question slide. This is an extra slide you can play around with right here. 164 to 167 is an extra slide. Just go here, you click on the question, and you add your question up here. So for example, you can say like, how, something like that. And you could put the answer here, maybe the wrong answer, like I swim to school or something like that. Maybe a student might actually say that. I walk to school, maybe, or I take the bus, depending on where you live. I fly to school. Oops, can't spell. There we go. And you can add your image here by right-clicking on this image here. Add it. Right-click on that and just go to change graphic from a file, and then you can add your own image to the slide. And you can read down here below. There's the teacher's note to help you as well, to guide you through this PowerPoint game. If the volume is too loud, the music is too loud, zoom out. You'll find it here. Click on this, and you can adjust the volume. It's midway right now. You can lower it a little lower. And also here on this slide, you can adjust the volume to zoom out. Find the icons and just adjust the volume. Okay, so that's how you edit the Q&A slide. If you want to link this slide to a bonus or something else, it's you can right click here and go to action setting, and you can hyperlink it to like a bonus or to a reward slide like this, or a bonus if you so desire. All right, that's pretty much it. There are some unfinished bonuses here. Maybe I'll finish this in the future. If you guys want to see that, please let me know in the comment section below. There's also one more here, actually. This one is, let's click on that and see what it looks like. So the students can try their luck by spinning, trying this spinner thingy here. And
Enter the champion of justice.
you click on spin, and you click on spin again to stop. And whatever's on the Dragon Ball, say it's 2, they get 2 Dragon Balls. So click on it again. If it's 5, they get 5 Dragon Balls. If they get the Z, they can spin again. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy this Dragon Ball PowerPoint game template. And if you want to see other types of games, please don't forget to comment below and I'll take a look at that. I'm actually working on a few suggestions from viewers. You might see that in the future and I might post that up quite soon, but I'm still working on a few more as well. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. It will really help out this channel a lot. And if you're new to this channel and you want to see more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get the latest materials when I post them up on this channel. Again, I want to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you. Without you guys, this channel wouldn't be possible. Again, I want to say thank you, and I wish you the best of luck in your classes.